Hi, I'm Kristin, and this is Anna.
And we're principals at the interior design firm Studio AK here in New York City.
Welcome to my apartment on the Upper West Side.
This is a 3-bedroom pre-war apartment where Kristin is raising her young family. While we're partners, we're also friends, and so it was a labor of love for me to work on Kristin's apartment.
And there's no one I would trust more to lead the design. The first time I walked into this apartment, I loved the bones of the space. And this gallery sets the tone for the design for the rest of my home.
So we started with this multi-arm pendant. Then to amplify the illumination, we added this high gloss oyster gray wallpaper, and we added the chevron pattern to the gallery floor in a dark stain.
I just love the scale of this gallery because it makes the apartment feel grand and it connects all of the entertaining spaces.
The challenge of designing Kristin's living room was balancing her collection of new and old pieces.
But that's what we do at Studio AK. We love the mix of vintage finds, new pieces, and custom furnishings.
We knew that Kristin's grandmother's steamer trunk, which held all her belongings when she came over from Italy in 1952, and a stool that her mom found at a flea market in the 70s would live in this space.
And then we added this sectional sofa in a performance fabric. It's stylish and big enough for my whole family to curl up and watch a movie.
And my kids come over and jump on the sofa too.
I found these sconces flanking this large-scale piece of art. For a touch of mob wife chic, we reupholstered these vintage Italian chairs in my favorite animal print fabric.
And again, to reflect light, we placed these mirrors on either side of the doorway.
This is a great space to hang out or watch TV.
And I love to spend time here when I visit.
I love having a formal dining room, and what's cool about this space is that it's multifunctional. This might be the chicest playroom on the Upper West Side.
All along this wall, we built custom millwork to house a toy store worth of storage.
And when we're not playing in here, sometimes we entertain.
We chose a round table with a smaller footprint because after all, this also is a playroom.
Then we mirrored this table with an elliptical fixture, which adds a warm glow to any dinner.
And this art piece, which doubles as a mirror, is another example of our custom design work. We collaborated with the manufacturer Zieta on this iridescent blue color.
A formal dining room doesn't have to be the least used space in a house.
And we designed this room to prove that.
There are 3 bedrooms in this apartment, my 2 daughters' rooms, which have really fun wallpaper and interesting lighting, and this is the primary suite. I love pink, so I knew my bedroom was going to be this color.
We went with a pink moire wallpaper on the headboard wall, and it changes with the light throughout the day.
This is a bed that we designed, and it has integrated storage. We covered it in a pink chenille fabric and added these sconces because we really wanted this to feel like a chic hotel suite.
And again, we love to mix in vintage, so we found this incredible light fixture that has copper accents.
This is really my oasis in the city. In designing my own home, I wanted it to be both design forward and family friendly.
We did this by using a neutral palette with pops of contrast, modern furnishings, and by creating spaces that could serve multi-functions.
This was a labor of love, and I'm so glad I got to do it with my friend.
Thanks for taking a look.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.